Beğendin mi?
Hala yazıyorum.
Beğendin mi?
Beğendim.
Yeah.
İyi.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Faruk Acar. How are you? Today is really important day for me, for our family. Yeah, because today we will buy a house, and it's super important for us. Yeah. In this morning we are going to town, and we will do some documents. We will take some documents, and yeah, we will do something, and later we will buy. I don't know what we'll do. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Now we are waiting for bank because it's not open, not yet, and we are waiting for money. We will take the money from bank, yeah, with my mom. Now I am super stressful. I don't know why. I'm nervous. I don't know why. Guys, now I'm running and I'm running. I don't know, guys. I'm running. I'm going to other bank, go bank, two banks. I don't know, man. Now I talk to money. Now I'm going to gold shopping and I will change gold. Yeah, but I don't have time. I'm running. Oh man, it's really hard job. Now I talked to all money. Now everything's ready. I'm going to some building. I don't know English name, but this job is very hard, guys. Change money, take money, and go documents. It's so hard, but I finish it. I'm going to for cyclists. Yeah, okay, go. My mom is ready for house. He putting money on the hand, all money there, and we are waiting other people for sale. Yeah. Now we are waiting other guys for sale, and we will give money and we will take house. It is super stressful. It's really hard. I'm working maybe 2 or 3 hours running around, but now everything is cool. We are waiting and we will buy house finally. Hey guys, now I get the documents, title deed, yeah, and now house is over right now, and now I don't know how I have to feel. I don't know really. Now we are going to some area. We will check the money. Money is this there, and we will check the money. Yeah, I think it's finished. Okay. Now after we check the money, I will show you how. Okay, let's go.
Bunun anahtarı yok işte. Çelik kapının anahtarı yok.
Ne olacak?
Kilit değişik. Çilingir. Gel kardeşim. Elimizi geliriz.
Yok. Biz tutacağız. Üçümüz tutacağız.
Sırayla alıp parayla değil.
Bunları ayarlaman lazım Faruk Bey.
Beni hareket etmez. Sen kaçacakmışsın gelin sana. Here is 1, Here's second, and yeah, we will point this room. Yeah, my friends, and
Vaccine?
yeah, here is sit area and 2 rooms, kitchen and bathroom stair. Yeah, house is like that.
Ev işte. Ev dedi.
Aynen öyle kardeşim.
Başımız girdi yetmedi. Olur.
Neden bu yalan ben geliyorum?
Çürüklük var değil mi? Bu da yükseklik var.
Yukarısı iyi ya, değil mi?
Ne bu?
Yeah, here is garden and it's garage, like garage. I don't know what is it, and for barbecue, and yeah, it's like that. Yeah, I think yeah, this house is like that, and it's okay. It's good for us right now, and of course we have to clear, and yeah. Tamam. Beğendin mi?
Hala yazıyorum.
Beğendin mi?
Beğendim.
Yeah.
İyi. Sofran sonra.
Yeah, she like it. House.
Durmasın diyor. O yapılmalarını dursun diyor. Temiz.
House is looking like that. To flat. I don't know. And here is garden. Here is barbecue area. Yeah, it's like that. We have 2 options. We can go there way, and we can go inside, of course. Yeah. Here is not new. We will change inside. Yeah. And this area. And this part is looking way. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, this one is good. Check. Hi guys, now I came to village, and yeah, we did check the house. My mom and my brothers looked before, but I didn't see before, you know, just pictures. But today I checked with you, and I did look with you, and I know it's not a new house, it's old, and it is 1 year. It's wait a second.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. He is very happy. He's my brother. Eso. So we did buy house, and we are happy because we have a house. And yeah, I know it's not new house. It is point is not good, you know. We have to point again, we have to do something for house. Yeah, it's normal because nobody stay in the house 1 year, you know. It's empty, and of course it's down, it's happening something, and yeah, but it's okay. We can do we can fix, and no problem, it's okay. Yeah, actually I will not stay this house because I'm living in the Izmir, other city, and it's just for my mom and my brothers. Yeah, that's it. It's a gift for my mom. anyway, yeah, I want to say something for help my friends who helped us in this time. I want to say thank you in my this video, and thank you so much. Thank you, your support, your help. You are really good guys, and thank you so much. Okay guys, I'm finished the video here. Hey, come. Actually, we have little problem. What will do this cat? She born in the village, but I think she will come with us in the town. Yeah, I hope she will be good. Say hi. Okay, go. Yeah, this is a little problem, and I think she will come with us. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, I'm finished the video here. If you liked this video, don't forget subscribe, and I will share I will continue post video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I love you, take care, bye bye. Yes, I know I finished the video here, but when I share my last video, we live in the village, why we live in the village, you write me a lot of comments about my story and for my mom, and thank you so much for everything. Your comments is really good, and your support is very important for me. Thank you for this. And I get a lot of message about for help. Hey Faruk, I want to help you about house, something like that, and I say thank you, but I don't know, man. You know, is it good? Is it not good? I don't know. I'm not sure. But when I editing my last video, home vlog, I was think, why not, Faruk? Why not? Your subscribers support you, want to help you. Okay, done. Okay. I was think like that. I think I was think how you can help me, and I don't want the money. Okay, I don't want the money. Just you can send me gift card on the Amazon. Later I can buy anything for house for my mom. You know, I can give your gift to my mom, and she will be too much happy. I was think like that. You can send me a gift card on the Amazon. You can choose how much do you want to send. You can choose and later write my Gmail, and I can take your gift card, and later I can buy something for house for my mom, and we can make happy my mom. Yeah, I was thinking like that. Is it good or not? I don't know. Just you want help me, and I'm trying a way for help for my mom happy. Yeah, I don't know. If you want, you can send me a gift card, and I can buy something for my mom. Yeah, and thank you so much again. You are awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, I love you. Bye bye.